Ooh, that's my jump. I'm a YouTuber. Oh! No! Bradley! Oh! Oh my God! Look at the little rustler compared to the Xmaxx. You guys have been asking for some more Xmaxx content. I got you today. We'll see what happens here. You know, I got that reef servo in here, about the only thing I've done in this truck. So we'll see how this goes. Wonderful. Got the big old Xmaxxes out here. John's Xmaxx. They just land so smooth.
Same color scheme, except for where yours is orange, mine's green.
Oh yeah.
The body, you know. I think it looks good.
Orange and blue are my two favorite colors. So. Oh, that's a hard landing. I think I blew a tire on the front. Can ride a wheelie for days. Stock motor, had an 18 tooth pinion. Still ripping backflips on the stock system though. Nice, almost. Oh.
Oh, it cut, bro.
Oh, big tumble. Whee! There we go, a little front flip. Nice little double there, bud. Oh. Got him. That was a good flyer right there, buddy. Little rustler action.
I wonder if it's because my battery batteries.
Oh, I didn't even get it.
That's not good.
It's still caught at the branch. Ooh, that's my jump. I'm a YouTuber. Oh, you just like seeing how close you can get to people. Oh!
It hit a real truck this time.
Yes, it did. Ah!
This rustler.
Is it broke?
Yeah. He had Xmaxx.
Oh my God. Is it just the body or you good? Oh, okay.
But yeah, it's not cutting.
Oh! I'm liking these front flips. Oh no! There we go. Let's go at the same time. Oh my God! What the heck? What the heck?
Today is the day for wheels to come off.
What?
Dude is going.
It's still going all the way down there. Look at it go all the way down there.
You're gonna have to do the walk to shame for one tire.
Oh my God. Oh, and fell over. What the heck? That's awesome. Where did it come off at? Oh, hey look, I found the nut. I did find a nut. We're good, boys. I did bust another nut. Oh my God. That was hilarious. 3-wheel drive. Whoa. You almost hit me? Oh no. I don't have to go in this snake infested spot to get it. That was a whole lot of earth. Little rustler.
They had to wait on when we got back here too.
Of course.
Oh,
there you go. Okay. Somehow it still made it. You landed it though. Going in reverse, my gear sounds terrible. Is that what you wanted to do? Oh! Oh! What a catch, dude. What a catch. How do you feel right now? No words?
It's like nuts. That is like, thankfully, it's not a Xmaxx or XRT. I could catch one of these.
That was quite insane. All right, catch the Xmaxx now. Nice. I think my gear is about done. It took me out too.
World's toughest front sport 4x4.
I mean, yeah. Oh, all right, I'm gonna start heading back. For my battery dies, I gotta carry it back. I'm always hard on the Xmaxes though. There we go. I have to carry it back anyway. If it didn't get destroyed, I'll be happy. If it did, I'm probably gonna sell it because I'm tired of that thing happening. All right, boys, hope y'all enjoyed the Xmaxx content. I ran until the pinion fell off, as always. Wait, didn't you say you're gonna cross the water on it?
Yeah, I will.
Oh, okay. He's got a pond to skim here. So here's the thing. John's RC life is gonna take his XRT, send it across this little pond here. We'll see how well this goes. You just let me know how you're gonna set it up, dude. It's about 30 yards and it's about 4 inches deep. That's our big jump. But this is what happens when it rains. He's doing his intro. Y'all go watch his video. Here comes the majestic beast. Ooh, stanky. Here he goes. Oh yeah. No problem, dude. No problem. Oh. Oh, and a rustler shot. That's awesome, man. Bradley's shot. Oh. Oh. Oh, Bradley. What are you doing, Bradley? No. No, he's getting a stick. That hobby wing's not waterproof. How are you gonna do this?
What I will do for YouTube, trying to do for YouTube. Yeah. Okay.
Oh man.
Socks and shoes are coming off.
Oh, socks and shoes are coming off, Bradley.
I can hear the ESC. It's not underwater. That's the good part.
Yeah, the ESC is kind of just fluttering around in there. Oh my God, here he goes. No, look at this. Ooh, that's stanky pond water. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that. Just stunting on him. Just stunting on him. Nice. Did you get splashed on that one?
Yeah.
Look at John, he's dying. John's dying over here. Oh my God, that's awesome.
I didn't do that on purpose at all.
Yeah, not at all.
It's St. John.
St. John. What are you playing, hopscotch over here? What are you doing? At least the rustler looks clean though. He's angry. Now what's that all flapping around in there? What's that sound?
The body.
Oh, are you sending it again or no?
I can.
I was just wondering. I think you gave her too much beans that
Yeah, that was might have been too much
No! Bradley!
Not again.
Bradley! This time you might be able to stick it out.
Might be able to stick it.
Oh, it's all in my shoes.
Your wife's gonna be wondering what you did, Bradley. Look at him, he said screw it and just went in there. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Try it
All right,
again.
send it again.
At this point, look.
Dude.
Watch my step.
Mr. Squishy.
Oh, the
can
whole
see
ground's moving. I'm kind of scared about
Mr.
that.
Squishy.
Oh,
You can see the water just
Oh.
squish out.
what a good time.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, bud. You already knew it, bud. Okay, guys. Today we have a Black Hawk helicopter here. It's the UH-60L Black Hawk helicopter here with all these gizmos and gadgets. So let's go see if two very smart people are able to fly this helicopter or not. All right, so let's unbox this thing here, guys. It's just one sheet of plastic. Whoa, it even has a landing zone.
Hey,
That's pretty cool.
You know what this is?
Mouse pad.
That's a mouse pad.
Yeah, I know, but I can finally give Cass a mouse pad.
Well, what you can do is you can just give that to her, and then you can like go and fly the helicopter and hit her in the head and land her out there.
Very smart. But look at this, guys. It comes very nice. Big old controller as usual.
Oh, it even has a little stand
What is that for?
So you can just leave it on there and it looks cool over there, just sitting, you know, on the shelf.
Oh, we can display our Black Hawk?
Yeah.
The thing that Osama.
I thought that was a cell phone.
Bro was on Tinder. Yeah, this
that's what got him.
Fat bitches around Iraq. Oh. That's cool. So the nose comes off.
That is a...
Okay, guys. So we need to get this little baby thing plugged up, and then we're gonna go crash it into. Never mind. We're gonna go fly it and have a good time. All right, guys. What's up? We got our K-170 helicopter here today, and we're gonna be checking her out. All we gotta do is put it on its designated landing pad here.
Why do you need that?
Okay, guys. After 30 minutes of trying to figure out why it didn't work, of unplugging and replugging in, we think we figured out we do this here. Watch it not work for me. Now it's not gonna work, huh?
Oh man, maybe I just got the magic touch.
Okay. All right, she figured it out somehow. So here we go. Cass is the only one that can start it. This one flies so much better than the other one. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Well, I gotta go in a neighbor's yard because it just took off on the wind. Still good. I don't think it's broken yet. This thing is so much faster than the other one. I might have scared myself a little bit though. Black Hawk down! Oh! 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 Get it! Oh! Oh!
Oh no!
The battery! The battery! Oh! How is it still going? Oh! Oh! Okay, there it goes. Now stop. Oh my God! The wind just took it all of a sudden and just threw it right at you. This thing is violent though. It's pretty fast. I love it. And I think it's pretty durable too. I mean, that's slammed into the, look, this is where it slammed into the glass right there.
Oh my God!
And then it just went over there and started tilling up the ground. Just walking my helicopter. Come here, buddy.
Don't hurt our succulents.
Oh, succulent! It just evenly chopped off this succulent.
Oh no, it's injured.
Sorry, succulent buddy. All right, now I gave it to Cass, so we'll figure out how she does here. Thank you for showing me how to start it. I gotta stay on my toes. I don't know where you're going. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Right to the trees. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. It's still running.
Still alive.
It's still running. The blades are, okay, now the blades are starting to get chipped up a little bit. All right, round two. Oh, she about to hit herself though. Okay, okay, all right, all right, all right. Oh, okay, 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 okay. It's wrapped around, stop it. It's wrapped around the bamboo. Oh my God. Back propeller's not firing. Oh, there it goes. It really tills up the ground. Oh my God, okay. Oh! Oh. Well, let's go try and see if it still runs. Hold on. It definitely sounds different. It definitely sounds different, but it's still flying. Something's messed up, definitely. Little K-170 working. Will it still work? Oh my God, it still works. It just sounds terrible. Good luck. Oh my God, that sounds terrible. Oh my God. Yeah, something is something a little wonky up inside of here, but I still think it flies. All right, guys, the K-170 was pretty fun. I don't think we could kill it in 10 minutes, even though Cass put the best number on it she could. Probably just need to plug the battery in and see if it still flies. But it's definitely making a little harsh noise there, and it took some good crashes. So go check this helicopter out if you want an angry little booger.
Angry little booger.